Dawning filter system, making filtration of difference. Dawning series disc filter system consists of water inlet and outlet pipes, sewage pipe, filter unit, backwash valve and controller. The filter unit includes a pressing device, a circular disc with grooves, an internal support and other components. When filtering, the raw water enters each filter unit. The impurities are intercepted and left at the intersection of the discs, and the filtered water flows out from the outlet pipe. As more and more impurities are intercepted, the backwash valve will change the direction of water flow when the pressure difference reaches the preset value. Then reverse water pressure will tighten the spring. The discs will be loosened. The discs will rotate because the nozzles on the filter pillars spray backwash water tangentially, and then wash away the impurities on the discs and discharge them from the sewage pipe. After each disc unit goes through the same operation program in turn to complete backwashing, the filter returns to the initial filtering state.